Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of outdoor decor and bringing life to your wall with some fantastic plant ideas. If you are looking to suppress up your outdoor space without breaking the bank, you are in the right place. Transforming a dull wall is easy with a vertical gardens. Grab some thoughts, wall containers or make your own using pallets. Pick vibrant succulent trailing vines and colorful flowers for a beautiful look. Here is a pro tips. Make sure water and drainage out properly and use a light soil mix. This help your vertical garden stay healthy and happy. It is like creating a mini garden on your wall, bringing nature beauty right to your outdoor space. So get creative and turn that blank wall into a lovely green oasis. It is simpler than you think. Just remember, good drainage and lightweight soil are the secrets to keeping your vertical garden flourishing. Turn your dull wall into a classy masterpiece with hanging baskets full of flowering plants. Use plants like pantheas, ivy or ferns that are easy to care for, especially in dry containers. The lightweight and drought-tolerant nature of these plants ensure hassle-free maintenance. To add a touch of style, hang the basket at versus height, creating a lovely and captivating setup. This simple trick not only breathe life into your space but also add a dynamic visual appeal. So if you are looking for an elegant yet easy way to elevate your outdoor area, these hanging baskets with cascading plants are the perfect solution. Transforming old picture frames into planters is fun and easy way to add charm to your outdoor space. Start by selecting a mix or herb succulents or small flowers plants that are easy to care for. Place these plants inside the frame to create a living artwork. To make it even more interesting, arrange the frame on your outdoor wall in a grid or a cool assign material patterns. This not only adds a touch of modern style but also turn your wall into a fragrant and visual appealing display. It is a simple yet effective way to repurpose old items, bringing life and creativity to your outdoor area. Try it out and watch your wall transform into a living masterpiece. Transform an old wooden pallets into a cool and eco-friendly plant wall. First, attach the pallet securely to your outdoor wall, then get some small pot of plants pockets and arrange them on the pallets. Now it is time to pick your favorite plants. Anything from colorful flowers to fresh herbs. This project is super budget friendly, meaning it won't cost you much money. Plus, it is an excellent way to add a touch of nature to your outdoor area, giving it a rustic and textured vibe. So if you are looking for a simple and creative way to decorate your wall while helping the environment, the pallet plant wall is a perfect choice. Transform your wall into a living masterpiece by letting nature climb up. Use a trails, a kind of frames for vines like jasmine, selematic or morning glory. These vines glow fast and look beautiful. Your wall covered in greenery, creating a stunning backdrop for your outdoor space. But that is not all. The vines also give you a bit of privacy, making your outdoor area feel like a secret garden. It is like having your own little paradise at home. So grab a trails, plant some climbing vines and watch your wall come to life. It is easy, quick, and adds a touch of nature to your outdoor oasis. What are you waiting for? Let the climbing adventure begin. There you have it, 5 fantastic ways to turn your outdoor wall into a lush green masterpiece. Which idea are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative and budget friendly DIY ideas. Happy decorating!